Ho, 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 Merry Christmas. Welcome to the 5th day of Christmas in the Smart Woodshop. I have chosen 12 perfect gifts for the carpenter, the woodworker in your life, and each day I'm sharing a new one with you. Today's gift, a drill block. Doesn't look like much, but this does a lot. This improves your accuracy and it helps you increase your productivity. Us experienced woodworkers, we don't need stuff like this. When we chuck in a drill bit, we know that we're going to drill perfectly plumb every time. Well, not so. These are handy for the most experienced carpenter to the beginner. Very simple. It helps you guide your drill bit straight up and down. There's just enough height in it that it helps you keep it plumb. So you set the block down on your material, and then it has, this particular one has 6 different steel metal sleeves so they don't wear out, set in this plastic block, and you choose the right one to fit the drill bit you're using. And then when you go to drill, you hold this tight and it guides your drill bit plumb, straight up and down. I like this drill block from Miles Craft for a lot of reasons. I just find it's very handy. I could carry it in my bag. It has markings on it on the sides, on both sides, that line up with the center of each hole, and then it has a center line on each end. So if I lay out a line both directions, I can set this block up and line it up this direction and know that the hole is going to be right exactly where I need it to be. It also has these hard rubber feet that actually run all the way through, and these stick. So when you hold it down, it stays in place. It won't walk on you. And then finally, it has a V groove on the bottom. This helps you if you've got to drill into a corner. It'll hold it perfectly at a 45. Or if you're trying to drill on a round, which is very difficult to get just right, you put that on there. And it'll give you a perfectly plumb hole into a dowel. Very handy tool, and it's about $8. You'll find this in Ron's store at thesmartwoodshop.com, but I will put a direct Amazon affiliate link to this in the description of this video down below. Be sure to drop in tomorrow for the 6th day of Christmas here at the Smart Woodshop. Merry Christmas!